Before we jump into today's tutorial, don't forget to check out this platform where you can get super Grok accounts for a fraction of the price. I'm going to drop the link in the video description down below. It is definitely going to help you save some money. So with that said, let's get back to our video. I just discovered another AI tool where you can generate free AI images and videos completely free and unlimited. Now, before I show you guys step by step how this platform works, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I drop another video just like this. Also, you can join my free AI community. I'll leave the link in the video description down below. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump straight into the video. All right guys, so the AI tool I'm going to be talking about in this video is called Z2U. I'm going to leave the link in the video description, or you can go straight to the website. So go ahead and click on the first one here. Once you click on it, it's going to load up and take you to the next page. So you can see here it says free AI image and video generator unlimited. Create AI images and videos from text or images in one browser-based studio. Start free with unlimited generations, no sign up, and watermark free export. So all you need to do is to go ahead and click on start creating for free, and it's going to open up and take us right here. And down here on the AI tools here, you will see they have text to image, they have text to video, they have image to image. They have multi images to image, image to video, image to prompt, image to text. So these are some of the AI tools they have on the platform. So in this video, we are going to be testing some of these tools here. So first of all, I'm going to be testing text to image, and it's going to load up and take me right here. So over here, this is the prompt box. This is where you go ahead and describe the image you want to generate. And over here, this is where you select the quality. So leave it on VIA quality. And over here, this way you can select the aspect ratio. So if you scroll down here, there are different aspect ratio, but the one we are interested in is 16:9. So after selecting the aspect ratio, scroll down here and select the numbers of images you want to create. So for the free plan, you are only allowed to create 1 image per prompt. If you are a subscribed member, you can create 2 images, 3 images, even up to 4 images per prompt. And then from there, you can select the one you prefer. But for we are making use of the free plan, so we are only allowed to generate 1 image per prompt. So all I'm going to do is to go ahead and paste in my prompt right here. Next, I'm going to go ahead and click on generate. You can see right here, the image is generating. All right guys, so you can see how clean the image actually came out. So over here, you can go ahead and download the image. You can go ahead and edit the image here. So for example, if I click on edit here, it's going to actually give you some options here. So you can play around with it. So there are lots of things you can actually do. So if I click on download, you can see it has been downloaded. All right, so the next one we are going to try is the image to video. So I'm going to go ahead and click on image to video here. Once it loads up, it's going to take us here. So this is where we are going to press in our prompt, select the model we want to use. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste in my prompts here. And the aspect ratio, we are going to select 16:9. And the duration here, you can generate up to 20 seconds video. But in this video, we are going to keep it as 5. The resolution is set as 768. All right, so all I'm going to do is to go ahead and paste in my prompt right here. After pasting in my prompt, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click where it says select images. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and select this image right here. You can see it's uploaded successful. Next, I'm going to scroll down here and click on create. You can see the video is now generating. Let's go ahead and wait for the video to complete generating. All right guys, so you can see the video has been generated. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead, click here to download, and you can see it's downloaded instantly. There are other AI tools you can actually use right here on this platform, but some of them are not free. So thank you guys for watching so much. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I drop another video. And with that said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.